Cheelee is a new social media platform in town right now that rewards you for watching social media, for staying on social media, for doing the things you love, which is scrolling through social media and watching short videos. Now, this platform actually pays you in dollars for watching short videos on your smartphone device, rather. Sorry. Now, there are actually some things involved in Cheelee that a lot of you don't know about, and I'm about to actually tell you in this video, actually, so that you get to make a more informed decision about Cheelee, and so that you can, better maximize Cheelee to make money online for yourself. Because people have actually asked me these two particular questions. Number one question is, Mandy, must I buy a glass before I can withdraw my money on Cheelee? And the number two question is, must I keep buying glasses before I can earn on Cheelee? Now, I am going to be answering those two questions in this particular video, so please make sure you stay tuned. Watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on the important update I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video in relation to the Cheelee platform. Now, before I go on, I want to say we are now 5,000 subscribers strong. Like, I checked my YouTube studio, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday, and I realized that I now have 5,000 amazing subscribers watching this channel, gaining from this channel, and getting a lot of value from this channel. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you 5,000 subscribers. Subscribe to this channel. I mean, it is because of you guys that this channel is standing. It is because of you guys that I keep coming here to come and share tips with you guys so that you guys can leverage on your smartphone device to be making money online. So thank you so much. And for you watching me right now, yes, you are yet to become a part of the family. What are you waiting for? 5,000 people cannot be wrong. So you better tap on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it. Turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know, because YouTube will personally notify you. That is how special you're going to be for subscribing to this channel and turning on post notifications. And for those of you seeing me for the very first time, sorry, I didn't introduce myself earlier. My name is Mandy Rachael, and I'm the face behind this channel, Mandy Rachael YouTube channel. Guys, you're welcome. Now let's get right into the business of the day, which is Cheelee. Because I've been getting a lot of questions, Cheelee. And I don't actually blame you guys for asking me these questions. As a matter of fact, I love the questions that you guys are asking, because I know I'm the one that brought Cheelee to you guys to let you guys know about Cheelee, because I discovered it, I earned from it, I made money from it. And you know me, I don't get skip, I don't hoard information. And for the fact that I benefited from Cheelee, I decided to come and share it with you guys as well, so that you guys will also go and benefit from it. And a lot of you have actually gone ahead to, take advantage of this Cheelee and, earn from it as well, benefited from it as well. And I actually observed something on Cheelee that I want to come and share with you people in this particular video, and that is the reason why I am making this video. Now, back to what I talked about earlier in this video, that two questions people have been asking me that I'm going to be answering. First and foremost, I want to let you know that if you want to sign up on Cheelee, you can actually sign up with my link. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Now, if you go sign up with that link, or visit register or join Cheelee, because it's not really a sign up, it's just for you to click on the link. The link is going to lead you to your Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone or Android, and then you download the app on your phone and then you start using it. Now, the good thing about using this link to join the Cheelee platform is that when you use this link, you're going to get a $3 sign-up bonus, provided you use the link correctly. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Go and click on it and get on the Cheelee platform as well. Now, as I was saying, the first question people ask me is that, Mandy, do I need to buy glasses on Cheelee before I can earn money? Now, the answer to this question is not really, no and yes. But I'm going to be explaining what I mean by no and yes and not really right about now. So the thing is that when you sign up on Cheelee, especially if you go and use the link that I told you guys to use in the description of this video, Cheelee is going to give you a free glass to start. Do you understand what I'm saying? Cheelee is going to give you a free glass to start. Now, this free glass is going to give you $10, right? That's the maximum amount you can earn with this free glass. $10, no more, no less. You're going to get $10 with this particular glass. Now, this $10, you're going to get it in 3 days. I'm gonna get this in 3 days. I actually have like a tutorial on it that I did a screen recording. I showed you guys how I did my own. Those of you already on this channel before, you know that. Maybe I'm going to link that tutorial again in the description of this video so that you get to see it. Now this $10, how do you earn it? You're going to be seeing some boxes coming out on your screen as you are watching these videos. You need to tap on that box, right? You need to tap on that box to get the money. That is how you get the money on Cheelee. Now after 3 days, after tapping these boxes, you're going to get $10. Remember that. But for you to withdraw that $10, you would need to buy glasses. Now why I said yes, no, or not really is because for you to earn that $10, do you need to buy glasses? No, you don't need to buy glasses. But technically, if the money is still on the Cheelee platform and you have not yet withdrawn the money to your bank account, maybe to your OPay or to your PalmPay, so technically maybe you've not earned it. So you see why I said yes, no, not really. So for you to be able to withdraw that money, you need to buy glasses. Now there are glasses called Cheelee glasses. I actually reviewed some of the glasses based on my own experience with the Cheelee platform, and the glass that I found to be beginner friendly. Okay, I found that that's the one that you should, at least as a beginner, you're just starting, don't be greedy, that I think you can start with, is the Element glass. And that Element glass is $6.18 if I am correct, because at the time I bought it, I think I bought my $6.18, and some people also that got onto the Cheelee platform as well, through my referral link, they've been able to buy the glass as well for $6.18. Now when you buy this glass for $6.18, okay, I also did a tutorial showing you how to buy the glass and pay in your local currency. Okay, now when you buy this glass, you would now be able to withdraw your $10 out of Cheelee. After you withdraw your money, you will still continue to earn on Cheelee with this particular glass. Now this brings me to the next thing that I observed on Cheelee that I want to share with you people in this video, and to the second question that people ask me. They've been asking me, Mandy, do I need to keep buying glasses? Do I need to buy more glasses to be able to continue to earn on Cheelee? And the answer and direct answer to that one is no. The direct answer to that second question is no. Now I'm going to explain to you guys how I discovered this, because you guys know that me too, I'm a newbie on Cheelee. Just like you people, I discovered the app. Like I said, I earned from it in a matter of days. I think 3 days, I earned that $10. I bought the glass, I withdrew my money, I made more money. I was like, wow, this thing is actually good like this. And then I decided to bring it to you guys so that you guys can also go and take advantage of it. And hence, because it's a good side also. I mean, most of the time we are on our phone, we're on TikTok, Instagram, we are scrolling through our phone. So why can't we just scroll and earn money while we're scrolling? But that is not even the case. After my first glass that I bought on Cheelee expired, I bought another glass. I also came here to show you guys how I bought my second glass on Cheelee, how I activated it, how I used it to earn money. I did a screen recording and everything. It's right there on my channel. Maybe I'll still pin it as well in the description of this video. For those of you that want to go and watch it, you can go and watch that as well and learn insights from it as well and learn from it. So after I bought my second and third glasses, some people kept asking me this question, Mandy, do I need to keep buying glasses before I can earn on Cheelee? And you guys know me, I do the experiment for you people. So I'm like, okay, let me test this thing. Do I even still need to buy glasses? Because the reason why I'm buying glasses is because I want to keep opening boxes to earn money, and also I want to be able to still withdraw, because I thought, okay, you have to buy glass to withdraw. Okay, so to my greatest surprise, my glass broke again, the one I bought, and I decided not to buy. Let me see if I'll be able to withdraw. And guys, I was able to withdraw my money. Yes, I was able to withdraw my money without needing to buy glasses again. Do you understand? Without needing to buy glasses again, I was able to withdraw my money. So the answer to that question is, you don't need to buy glasses to withdraw your money again. If you have money on your Cheelee app and your glass has expired, it has broken, as long as the money you have is the minimum withdrawal, I think minimum withdrawal is like 1.2 something, I can't remember, but I know it's 1 point something. As long as you have that money, you can withdraw it, even if you don't buy glasses, even if the glass you've previously bought has broken. So the answer to that question is no. So let me know in the comment section as well if you still have more questions about Cheelee and that you want me to talk about. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to talk about it. And to those of you asking me, Mandy, is Cheelee a scam? Now this part is not supposed to be in this video, but I just want to add it as an extra bonus, for those of you that are new to my channel. I hope you have subscribed. New subscribers, new viewers, you are watching me, you've watched up to this point, I beg now, subscribe, tap that subscribe button, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop more valuable education motivational videos like this, you don't miss out on it. Now, as I was saying, is it a scam? I did a whole video based on, like, I think the video is like 15-20 minutes long. I'm not sure, but I know I did a video or 2 videos to explain whether the Cheelee situation, whether it's a scam or it's not a scam, based on my experience and based on the experience of other people that, you know, in the community that have also introduced to the Cheelee platform, and the experiences that they have. And just what I come up with is I gave some precautions that you need to take note of, because this is a platform that pays you, and they need to be sure that you're not trying to circumvent the platform. You're not trying to also do them 419 and why you, and you know, because some people can be funny. Honestly speaking, sometimes we humans, we can be greedy. We want to have everything to ourselves alone. We don't even want to consider our brother, our sister, our neighbor, and all those things, which I don't think is nice. So because it's a platform that pays, they have some rules and regulations that you have to follow, I guess. And you know, they just want to be sure that this is the real person, and this person is not trying to, you know, do us wayo too. Do you understand? So there are some things I explained in that video that if you take precautions based on people's experience that their account has been banned, I don't think something like that will happen to you. So the final verdict I'm going to give to it is that I don't think Cheelee is a scam based on my own experience with it, because they have, I've been using it for the past how many months now that I downloaded it. I didn't even buy glass when my last glass broke, just for me to test. Maybe I'll still be able to withdraw. And I was able to withdraw. I'm still getting followers. I'm still earning. Right now on the Cheelee platform, I have about 13 point something thousand followers. And my videos is still getting views, you know, and everything like that. So personally, based on my own experience and, you know, from everything I gathered, you can go and watch that video as well. Maybe I'll link it in the description. I don't think that Cheelee is a scam. Now, that's that for that in this video. I hope you guys gained something from this video. If you gained something from this video, please let me know in the comment section what you gained from this video. And if you've been gaining a lot from my channel as well, let me know in the comment section what you have been gaining from my channel. And if there's anything at all you want me to teach you on this my channel, like, just feel free to let me know in the comment section, because now that I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm in a very good mood. I never can tell. I just might, you know, bring a tutorial for it on you, or just talk about it and, you know, educate you on that thing. So if there is anything at all, drop it in the comment section, and trust me, I'll be glad to help. And to those of you that watched up until this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep being amazing, and bye.